Good morning, friends and respected teachers. I'm Akshita Gupta. I study in AIMS MBBS first year. So it's an honor to be here. Thank you so much for inviting me to this felicitation ceremony. And to all the future aspirants of being of engineering or medical or any other field, the first thing I'd like to tell you is keep your goal in front of your eyes at every moment. Your focus should not shift. You should have a reason why you want to do what you're preparing to do. For example, like I wanted to be a doctor since the very beginning, and the reason, there were many. Firstly, I had interest in this field, all the biological, the workings of the human body and the anatomy and everything, it fascinated me. And then secondly, there's a lot of scope in this field. You can go for surgery, you can go for research, anything. And especially I had an emotional attachment too, as in my family, I had a history of, my relatives and my near and dear ones, I lost them to the deadly disease of cancer. So I had this, inner flame burning inside me that yes, I have to do something. I have to find a cure for this. So I think I'm going to do that, and I believe in myself. I'm working towards it. And I'd like to tell you all that anything, it's not easy, first of all. You need to work hard. You'll have to devote all your time towards your studies. You will have to sacrifice some of your fun and games till now, which you've been, giving most of your time to. But it'll pay off. When I got selected in AIMS, it was actually pretty much unexpected because after giving my paper, I was like, nahi yaar, ho sakta hai na ho. The competition is so tough, seats itni kam hai. But still, when the day the result came, it's very funny actually. I was baking cakes and I suddenly got a call from one of my teachers, Beta, congratulations, you got selected in AIMS. And I was speechless. I was jumping with joy. My mother was there. She left everything and she hugged me. It was truly a pure moment of joy for me, and it feels very nice to be in AIMS. It's an amazing college, the best college in India, and it's recognized globally. So it was possible only because of working hard and all the motivation and support which is provided. So at this point, I'd like to thank Praveen Tyagi sir, Dr. Arora, Manish sir, and all the faculty of PACE who guided me, motivated me at each and every step, provided support, help, even to the extent of I could call them at any time. They never hesitated. I called them at 7 in the morning, 10 in the night, any time. They were there to help me out with everything. So it's actually, it feels very nice that there is someone to help you out. And they've been a guiding factor to push me towards my goal, to provide encouragement at any point if I lost hope that I won't be able to do it. They were like, nahi beta, ho jayega, mehnat karo aur mehnat karo, hum hai tumhare saath. So it's very nice actually. And in today's world of competition, coaching it's actually a very, very important factor because unless you do self-studies, that's fine. But unless you're exposed to the competition, you will never be able to know where you stand. So PACE provided me a platform for that, and the faculty here is amazing. The study material they give, it's very good. So basically, I do owe my success to PACE. And at last, I like to say that my race towards AIMS was helped me. I win the race towards AIMS through PACE. Thank you.